Hey everybody, thanks for hitting play. I am so excited you're here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at the 7 most beneficial fruits to incorporate into your diet every day to help support your body's fight against cancer. Not only are these fruits absolutely delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients and antioxidants. And who doesn't love a delicious and nutritious treat that's easy to make and even easier to eat? So let's dive right in and discover the power of these incredible fruits. First up, let's talk berries. And no, I'm not talking about my friend Halle Berry, although she is pretty super and amazing. I'm talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and all the other amazing berries out there. They're like nature's little gems, bursting with flavor and goodness. And you know what's even better? Berries are like the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off those nasty free radicals with their incredible antioxidant powers. And let me tell you, these antioxidants are like the bodyguards of our cells, protecting them from damage. But that's not all berries are good for. Oh no, they're like those overachieving students who excel in every subject. They're also packed with vitamins and fiber, which are essential for keeping our bodies happy and healthy. Fiber, it's like that friend who helps us clean up after a big party, keeping things moving smoothly in our digestive system. And let's not forget about those essential vitamins. They're like the cheerleaders of our bodies, boosting our immune systems and giving us energy. So how can you add more berries to your diet? Well, for starters, how about a big bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of yogurt or cottage cheese for breakfast? Or maybe a handful of blueberries as a snack. You can even toss some strawberries in your salad. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, why not try a berry smoothie? Just blend your favorite berries with some milk or yogurt and a little bit of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Next up, we have the zesty and refreshing citrus fruits. From oranges to grapefruits, lemons to limes, these fruits are like a burst of sunshine in every bite. And you know what makes them extra special? Their high vitamin C content? That's right, citrus fruits are like the ultimate immune system boosters, helping our bodies fight off those pesky colds and infections. And if that wasn't enough, vitamin C is also fantastic for helping our bodies absorb iron from plant-based foods. Iron is like the delivery service of our bodies, carrying oxygen to all our cells and tissues. And just like a well-oiled machine needs all its parts to function properly, our bodies need iron to thrive. So make sure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. Now let's talk about how to enjoy these tangy treats. You can always start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Or how about adding some grapefruit segments to your breakfast parfait? And if you're feeling fancy, try making a citrus salad with oranges, grapefruits, and a light honey lime dressing. Your taste buds will be doing the tango. Have you ever tried a pomegranate? They're like little edible rubies with a sweet, tart flavor. Not only are they fun to eat, but they're also packed with antioxidants. In fact, pomegranates contain unique compounds called punicalagins and punicic acid, which have been shown to have some pretty amazing anti-cancer properties. Now, I'm not saying that pomegranates are a magic cure-all, but studies have shown that they can help slow the growth of cancer cells and even prevent the formation of new ones. Pretty impressive, right? But here's the thing about pomegranates. They can be a bit of a challenge to eat. I mean, have you ever tried to deseed one? It's like a treasure hunt. But trust me, the juicy, tangy arils are worth the effort. So how can you incorporate more pomegranates into your diet? Well, you can always sprinkle those beautiful arils over your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. They add a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch. You can also find pomegranate juice at most grocery stores. Just make sure you choose 100% juice without any added sugar. And if you're feeling really adventurous, try making your own pomegranate juice. It's actually not that difficult, and it tastes so much better than the store-bought stuff. You know the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's actually some truth to that. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, which we already know is great for our digestion. But here's the thing about fiber. It's not just good for our guts. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing type 2 diabetes. And believe it or not, studies have shown that a diet high in fiber can actually reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. But that's not all apples are good for. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which we already know is an immune-boosting superstar. And they contain these amazing compounds called polyphenols, which have powerful antioxidant effects. Polyphenols are like the superheroes of the plant world, protecting them from damage caused by the sun and other environmental stressors. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy these crunchy delights. You can always grab an apple for a quick and easy snack, Or how about adding some diced apples to your morning oatmeal or yogurt? And if you're feeling a little adventurous, try making an apple crisp or apple pie. Just be sure to use a healthy recipe that's low in sugar and fat. Grapes of goodness. Grapes, especially the red and purple varieties, are like little bundles of anti-cancer goodness. They contain a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, which has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast cancer, colon cancer, and prostate cancer. Resveratrol is like the bouncer at the club, keeping those nasty cancer cells from getting in and causing trouble. It does this by protecting our cells from damage, reducing inflammation, and even slowing the growth of cancer cells. But resveratrol isn't the only reason to love grapes. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin K. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. So, how can you incorporate more grapes into your diet? Well, you can always enjoy a handful of grapes as a snack. Or how about adding some sliced grapes to your salads, yogurt, or cheese plates? And if you're feeling really fancy, try making a grape salsa or grape sorbet. Just be sure to use seedless grapes for easier snacking. Cherries, tiny but mighty. Don't let their small size fool you. Cherries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help protect against cancer. They're particularly rich in anthocyanins, which are the pigments that give cherries their beautiful red color. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect against heart disease, and even fight cancer cells. They do this by neutralizing those harmful free radicals we talked about earlier, preventing them from damaging our cells and DNA. But that's not all cherries are good for. They're also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. And because they're low in calories and high in fiber, cherries can also be helpful for weight management. So how can you incorporate more cherries into your diet? Well, you can always enjoy a bowl of fresh cherries as a snack. Or how about adding some chopped cherries to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads? And if you're feeling really daring, try making a cherry pie or cherry cobbler. Just be sure to use a healthy recipe that's low in sugar and fat. Let's break for a superfruit milkshake recipe. Here's a refreshing and nutritious milkshake recipe featuring berries, apples, citrus, pomegranates, and cherries. This combination is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 1/2 cup frozen mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 1 small apple, cored and chopped, preferably a sweet variety like Fuji or Honeycrisp. 1/2 orange, peeled and segmented, or juice of half an orange. 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds, fresh or frozen. 1/2 cup frozen cherries, pitted. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, optional for flavor. Ice cubes, optional for a colder shake. Now, let's blend it all together. Start by adding the almond milk to your blender. This will help with the blending process. Next, add the frozen mixed berries, chopped apple, orange segments, pomegranate seeds, and frozen cherries. For a touch of sweetness, you can add honey or maple syrup. And for extra flavor, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Blend until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, you can add more almond milk. For a thicker consistency, add ice cubes and blend again. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness if necessary. Finally, pour your superfruit milkshake into a glass and enjoy immediately. For added texture, you could top with extra pomegranate seeds or a few whole berries. And if you want an extra nutrient boost, consider adding a handful of spinach or kale to the blend. This superfruit milkshake is a perfect way to enjoy the health benefits of these amazing fruits in a delicious and refreshing way. Avocado power. Avocados are often praised for their healthy fats, but did you know they also possess cancer-fighting properties? Avocados are rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast cancer. But the cancer-fighting benefits of avocados don't stop there. They're also a good source of fiber, folate, and vitamins C, K, and E, all of which play a role in protecting our cells from damage. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is essential for cell growth and repair, and studies have shown that it may help reduce the risk of some cancers, including colorectal cancer. So how can you incorporate more avocados into your diet? Well, you can always slice some avocado onto your toast, salads, or sandwiches. Or how about making a delicious guacamole? Just mash some avocado with some diced onion, tomato, cilantro, and lime juice. And if you're feeling really brave, try adding some avocado to your tuna. It might sound strange, but trust me, it's delicious. So there you have it, my friends, 7 incredible fruits that can help your body fight cancer. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to cancer prevention. It's also important to maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn about the power of these amazing fruits too. Until next time, enjoy healthy living and keep on snacking.